Hello! So guys, the past couple of weeks I've been watching a lot of TikTok, like a lot, which is something not very healthy, don't do it. However, I found some really good makeup hacks. So that's why I'm filming today's video, so we can try them out together. I'm very excited because with these makeup hacks, sometimes you can find a new way to do your makeup. You can learn a new technique or you can learn a new product. Okay, so let's get into it. So the first video is about skin preparation. I've talked about how important it is to prepare your skin before your makeup like a million times. So that's why I wanted to find like a new way on how to prepare your skin before your makeup. So let's see what we have.
I want to let you all in on a secret in how I like to prep skin. There are a few steps I want you to follow, so watch this video closely. Now these processes do take a little bit longer, but they're 100% worth it. So let's jump into what I'm actually doing. Now when I'm creating a makeup that I want to be absolutely flawless, and this is obviously shot in high definition, I'll go in with a cleansing balm. I'm trying out the True Botanicals one, and I'll massage that into the skin, and I will use a little bit of pressure as well to really kind of bring that blood flow, that circulation, a little bit of lymphatic drainage. And you can see I'm not being delicate with this. I'm really getting in, and this is a great way to actually get all that oil and gunk off someone's eyelids and eyebrows. I'm using a makeup removing cloth to remove the excess cleansing balm, and this is going to take off dead skin, and these things remove everything. So if you're worried about leaving any residue behind, don't worry with these. The one I'm using is by Tamedex and will be available in packs of 3 soon. The next tip is I like to use a moisturizer that matches the base of my foundation. Now while this isn't 100%.
Okay, so this is very interesting, I would say. I've never used a cleansing balm to prepare my skin before, so let's see if it actually works. So I have this cleansing balm here by Sephora. I will take this much. I believe that this hack is going to work because usually cleansing balms leave your skin very hydrating and very smooth. So I don't have a makeup cloth, but I do have one of these makeup pads, so I'm gonna use this one. Like I said, my skin is so smooth. Next I'm gonna use a moisturizing cream. I'm using this one. My skin feels so smooth and it's literally glowing, so hack number 1 was definitely a success. So let's move on to hack number 2. So this next hack is about foundation, and it says that it gives you the most thin and even foundation application, like second skin. And the reason I chose this hack is because if you watch my previous makeup videos, you know that I don't like at all the heavy cakey finish. I usually go for a natural light coverage flawless finish. Let's do it. This is the foundation I'm going to use. And here I have this small fork with a flat body. I'm gonna call it body, why not? You can apply it very nicely on the skin. I must say that you also don't need a lot of product. Definitely gives you the right amount of foundation for your skin. But of course, this is just my opinion. I'm gonna be completely honest with you. When I first saw this makeup hack, I wasn't really sure about it because mixing your concealer with setting powder, I don't know, I feel like it's gonna be really dry and the texture a little bit weird. I don't know, I'm not sure, but I'm gonna try it anyway. So I'm gonna use this setting powder. Some of the videos put the applicator of the concealer straight to the powder, but I'm not gonna do it because I don't wanna do it. I will mix these two together on my face. So first I'm gonna start with this concealer. Use like this much under my eyes. And then I will take a fluffy brush like this. I will take a little bit of powder and I will blend them together. Okay, I don't think that is working, guys. I don't know if it's the concealer or the powder, but it's very dry. Like, look at this. Have you tried this makeup hack before, guys? Did this work for you? Please let me know because right now it looks awful. So I will try to fix it a little bit. I will take my beauty blender. Okay, it doesn't look good, guys. I cannot fix it. So I remove it and reapply the foundation and the concealer and everything. Yeah. Okay, hack number 3, a completely disaster. Please let me know if you've tried this makeup hack before and if it worked for you, or if I did something wrong, I don't know.
If you're not blending your blush up to your under eye area, you're missing out.
Okay, so we're gonna give another chance to mix the concealer with another product, and this time we're gonna mix the concealer with the liquid blush. And to be honest, I'm very positive for this one and I'm very excited. So first I'm gonna start with the liquid blush and I'm gonna use this one. Okay, so put it under her eyes where you're supposed to put concealer. And then she took her concealer. I'm gonna use again this YSL and put it on top of the blush. Okay guys, I am loving it so much. It gives you a really nice color and it looks very natural. That was a success. So this next one is not actually a hack, but guys, honestly, I've been seeing for years everyone, literally everyone, using this hair gel on their brows. And I've been wanting to try this for years, but I was a little bit worried because I'm not sure if this hair gel is actually good for your brows and if it's going to last. I will take just a tiny bit. Okay, I think it actually works. Like, hopefully it will last for hours. Also, one more thing that I noticed, and I like it a lot, is that it doesn't leave residue. Okay, so now we'll use this brow pomade from Refi. I like it. I think they're not gonna move. Okay, so this next one is about how to model cheekbones. When I usually contour my face, I usually put my contour on my cheekbones because it gives a more lifted look. But today we're gonna try something else. So she used her contour on her cheeks down here and she created like a more sculpted look. So she started from here and down here. Whoa. Oh my god, can you see it? Whoa, guys, if you want your face to look thinner, definitely try this one. I will also use a little bit of bronzer on my face. I don't have a hack for the bronzer, so we'll just give a little bit of color.
The best hack. Grab your pencil, black, brown, whatever colour you want. You're going to put your finger right in the corner of your eye, and where you can feel the pressure, that's where you're going to put your pencil liner. I'm drawing mine here. Then we're going to put it into the corner of the eye and we're just going to pull it out.
Okay, so if you know me, you know that my relationship with eyeliner sucks, literally. So I want to try to find a way to do my eyeliner easier. I've tried this makeup hack before, but it didn't work. But I wanted to try it one more time because last time I tried this makeup hack, my eyeliner pencil wasn't that good. But this time I have this longwear eyeliner by Wonder Skin. And this is very pigmented, so that's why I wanted to try it one more time. So we make a small dot like this on our finger. And we're supposed to put it on the outer corner of our eyes and drag it out. Like this, and boom. Okay, I think it worked, sort of. Like, if we take a sharpened brush and fix it a little bit, I think it's gonna look good at the end. Or finally, I need to learn how to do eyeliner. So as you can tell already, this makeup hack is about mascara, and I chose this one because sometimes I don't want to use mascara but still I want my lashes to look long and thick. So I don't have an Aquaphor, but I'm gonna use this Vaseline. I've been told that it's the same, so I think it's gonna work. Okay, now we'll take this spoolie and my Vaseline. I will take like this much. Okay, the Vaseline leaves some residue. I don't know if the Aquaphor would work better. It definitely makes your lashes look longer, but yeah, it's not looking great. I'm not sure about the Vaseline, so I cannot tell if this hack actually works, but I will also try with the Aquaphor and we shall see. This is the first time seeing someone overline their lips like this. This hack is supposed to make your lips look bigger and fuller. So let's see if it actually works. I'm very curious. Okay, I've never overlined my lips like this, but I actually like it. I think it's gonna look really nice. I will use this lipstick by Huda Beauty. It is a really nice pinky nude. Okay guys, what do we think about the lips? Okay, so we have one more makeup hack and we're done.
Setting spray is ruining your makeup. You need to stop doing this. Instead, spritz a sponge and lightly press it into your skin. Doing it this way will ensure your makeup lasts all day and it doesn't lift your makeup or leave splotches all over your skin.
Okay, I must say that I never had a problem with my setting spray. I think that if you hold the setting spray very close to your skin, it's gonna ruin your makeup. But if you hold it from a decent distance, you're gonna be fine. But I also wanted to try like a different way on how to set your face at the end. So I'm gonna take my setting spray. This is the one that I'm currently using. This is a really nice hack. It definitely works, and of course you can control it better. So if you don't know how to use a setting spray, definitely use it like this. So guys, these were all the makeup hacks for today's video, and this is the final result. Let me know if you want me to create a part 3, I would love that. So I'm gonna love you and leave you. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video because it helps me a lot. You can find me on other platforms, I will have them linked in the description box, and I will hopefully see you to the next video.